Ready to experience future of online shopping? Temu isn't following trends, it's setting them. This innovative platform represents everything modern shopping should be: accessible, diverse, affordable, enjoyable. What started as vision evolved into global phenomenon. Temu prioritizes customer satisfaction over profits. Product selection is rigorous, ensuring quality reaches marketplace. Pricing is transparent with no hidden fees. User interface makes navigation intuitive. Special features like virtual try-ons, augmented reality views, and comparison tools help confident decisions. Temu features user content, style galleries, and guides. Platform includes eco-friendly products and responsible shipping. Regular updates bring features based on feedback. Payment security uses encryption protecting information. Order management is straightforward with easy modifications. After-sales service ensures satisfaction beyond delivery. Want to join Revolution? Link and exclusive coupon code in description and comments. Remember to like video and subscribe to our channel for best online shopping insights and deals that'll transform how you shop, save money, and discover amazing products every single day.